What if your light could blink just by sliding your finger? Let's build a blinking slide switch. You already know how a switch works, a gap in your circuit that opens and closes to turn a light on and off. A blinking slide switch has one long gap and multiple switch contacts placed along it. Any one of the contacts can close the circuit on its own. As you press down and slide your finger along the switch, your finger moves over the contacts one at a time. Each time it moves off the contact, the gap opens and the light turns off. This makes the LED blink on and off as you slide. Now that you know how a blinking slide switch works, let's grab your materials and build one. You will need one LED sticker, one launchpad battery, conductive tape, 2 binder clips, and a pair of scissors. Once you have everything ready, let's build our blinking slide switch. Turn to the template on the next page. Stick conductive tape over the blue line and the red line. Stick the LED sticker over the footprint. Press it down firmly. Place the launchpad battery over the battery footprint. Clip the battery tabs in place using your 2 binder clips. Cut the page along the thin vertical red line. This separates the switch contacts from the rest of the page. Fold up along the horizontal dotted line to create your blinking switch flap. Now press your finger down on the flap and slide it across. The light will blink on and off as you go. Turn the page. What happens when the penguin slides across? Draw it here. Share your creation with us using hashtag Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.